In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Canva AI for your one-click designs. First is to head to the site, which is the canva.com/magic design. Once you're inside the site, you just need to focus on this part. Here you need to type in what you really want for the AI to design for you, or a simple prompt that you want the AI to create. For example, is this. Then tap on the Generate Design and wait for the Canva AI to craft your initial design. So focus on this part of the sidebar since these templates are the generated things from the AI. Now tap on the See All, and here you can select all the templates that you want to use for your design. For example, is this. And as you can see, it has generated or basically fed the one-click design function for this video. And that's it. That's how you can use Canva AI for generating one-click designs, and thank you for listening.